Have you ever wanted to see who someone just followed or who just followed them on Instagram? Maybe you're curious about a friend's new connections, checking in on a public figure's growth, or just keeping up with social circles. Whatever the reason, you're not alone. Instagram doesn't make this easy, but there are some tricks you can use to get pretty close. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on smart social media tips like this one. Alright, let's get into it. So here's the thing. Instagram used to show followers and following lists in chronological order, newest at the top, oldest at the bottom. But that's changed. Now the order depends on a few factors: your relationship to the person, mutual followers, interactions, and more. So while you might think the top of the list is newest, that's not always the case. Still, there are ways to spot new followers or recent activity, and here's how. First, go to the person's Instagram profile. Tap on their followers list. If you interact with them a lot or follow them already, the list might show mutuals at the top. But if you don't follow them and haven't interacted much, the list is more likely to be sorted by newest followers first, especially on public accounts. Now here's where it helps to do some sleuthing. Take note of a few names near the top of the list. You can even screenshot it. Come back a few hours later or the next day and check again. If there are new names at the top, those are likely the most recent followers. It's manual, but it works if you're tracking over time. If you're looking to see who they've recently followed, the process is the same. Tap on their following list instead. Again, depending on Instagram's algorithm, the list may or may not be sorted chronologically. But if it is, you'll see new people they've just started following at the top. Now, let's talk about third-party apps. Yes, there are apps and websites that claim to show follower history or recent changes, but here's the truth. Most of them are either not accurate, require access to your Instagram login, or even violate Instagram's terms of service. Using them could put your account at risk. So if you're serious about privacy, stick to the manual method and avoid those sketchy apps. Pro tip: if the person you're watching has a smaller account, say under 1,000 followers, you can scroll through their entire list pretty quickly and compare changes over a few days. It's not the fastest method, but it gives you reliable results without risking your account. If this helped clear up the mystery behind Instagram's follower lists, hit that like button and subscribe. We drop new social media tricks and tech guides every week. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.